Reviewed the testimony and having studied the report submitted by the doctors at St. Anne's, it is the court's opinion that Lindsay Rappaport is of sound mind and fit to stand trial on the charges brought by the district attorney. Principally, murder in the first degree.
That's not fair. I'm sorry, she's a good person.
Addie, I'm sure that the judge will take that in consideration, that and the fact that Lindsay has all the community support.
Your Honor, the Commonwealth is prepared to proceed to trial, and judging by the nature of the crime and the defendant's record, we will be seeking the highest possible penalty allowed by law.
What does that mean?
It means Nora's getting exactly what she wanted.
That's Marcy, and that's Sally Ann.
No, you got it all wrong. That's Gigi, the other one's Sally Ann.
That's Gigi? The woman Rex talked to? I told her I was Marcy's husband. Why wouldn't she tell me where she was?
Marcy told you someone was shaking her down. Maybe Gigi's your blackmailer.
Gigi's no blackmailer. She and Marcy are friends. They swap shifts, share a sitter. Those two are like sisters.
That's the first good news I've heard in weeks.
You know where we can find this Sally Ann?
Look, I don't know anything about any kidnapping, but I do know that without a warrant, I don't have to tell you squat.
Watch your head. All right, baby, come on. I got you. Oh. I sure wish Gigi lived in a better neighborhood. Come on, let's hurry up and get inside. Mom, what's going on?
As long as you do your part, nobody gets hurt, everybody gets what's coming to them.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Ramsey, put that away.
Do you want your son?
I know you were all ready to go, but you know what? Gigi and Shane, they need our help. You want to go? You want to open it? Go ahead, open it. Yeah, there you go. They need our help, all right? So after today, we're not gonna be able to talk to them, you know? We're not, so we have to get rid of that cell phone and hit the road and get as far away from Todd Manning as possible. You hot? I'm hot. Let me get you out of this jacket. Come here, kid.
Shane? Now, when Mommy's friend gets here, we're all gonna be real quiet. Nobody's gonna say a word. And Mommy's gonna do exactly what we tell her to do.
Or what? Shane, you remember what we did when the hurricane hit?
Okay, now why is Mama ringing that up?
She thinks you're gonna hurt me.
Me? As long as Mommy cooperates.
Your Honor, the defense will need adequate time to prepare our case.
You've had months.
Counselors, I wasn't finished. I have reviewed the reports from St. Anne's, and I've consulted with psychiatrists who are experts in the field. And while it's clear that Miss Rappaport has recovered, it's also clear that at the time of the murder, her mental state, and the opinion was unanimous, fits the legal definition of insanity. No reasonable jury could find otherwise. Therefore, in the interests of justice and economy, I'm issuing a directed verdict of not guilty by reason of insanity. The case is hereby dismissed.
What does all that mean? It means Lindsay's free.
So my name's John McBain. This is my brother Michael. The woman you call Sally Ann is actually his wife, Marcy, and we're here to help her. So if you just tell
Look,
us
pal,
where
I don't
she
care
is.
who you are or what you want with Sally Ann. As far as I'm concerned, she's a good person. Even if she did break more China than Connie Corleone and nearly killed a judge.
Killed a judge? Was she in court?
She was right here with a tray full of dirty dishes, and then down she goes. The tray hits the deck, kaboom! Right in the middle of the pie contest. The judge gets a pecan and it gets stuck in his throat. Well, I thought he was a goner. Then Sally Ann Did the Heimlich maneuver.
I taught her that. I'm a doctor.
Doesn't make you a good husband. If Sally Ann's here instead of home with you, there's a reason.
Yeah, there's a reason, but it has nothing to do with my brother, and we're here trying to protect her.
So first you're a cop, and now you're a brother. Which is it? While you're explaining that, I'd like to see a badge.
I used to be a cop.
Used to be?
He's here because he's
Tell
family.
you what. You leave the lady's bag where you found it, turn around, get out of my restaurant, and I'll pretend I never saw you. Or you can push it, and I'll call real cops with badges.
Gigi! You okay? Shane, now! Run, Marcy! The trap!
Your Honor, the defendant confessed to premeditated murder. A jury should decide.
We have a directed verdict exonerating my client.
Miss Hannon, I have ruled that Miss Rappaport was clearly non-compos mentis when she committed the crime. My ruling stands.
Okay, so the defendant, who has a criminal record that includes murder on a rap sheet as long as my arm...
client was pardoned for her crimes, including one by the governor of Pennsylvania.
Because she saved his granddaughter's life, but that does not mean she's not guilty. She murdered Spencer Truman in cold blood, and now she's going to walk?
Not exactly.
Look, you have no idea how glad I am to hear that you're on Marcy's side. I'm on Marcy's side. It's why we're here.
I don't care why you're here.
Tell you what, we'll get out of here when you tell us where Marcy is.
I got onions braising.
He knows where she is and he won't tell us. But she's got to come back, right? For a passport. She's got to come back. So we'll wait here.
Hey, Chef, you got a back entrance to this place?
Loading dock. I keep it locked unless I'm getting a delivery. What do you think you're doing?
Hey, I'm not gonna throw you up against that wall because apparently you were good to my sister-in-law, but if you don't tell me where she is, I swear I'm gonna rip this place apart.
No, Marcy, it's a trap!
Wait!
Oh! Shane, I'm gonna hurt your mom real bad unless you come out here.
Shane, don't come out here! Honey, are you okay? You can come out now, they're gone. You sure? I'm double sure. Oh my God, they're gone and I locked the door. Are you okay?
I remember what we did when the hurricane hit. That we locked ourselves in the bathroom.
You did so good. I'm so proud of you.